how to create a text inside Davinci Resolve and how to reuse that text in a different project also. So first of all, come here to Effects. Inside the toolbox we have Titles, and then drag the text and drop it onto the timeline. Go above it using the playhead, click on the text. Here in the inspector, video title, you can modify the text, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. You can modify the font, make it bold, modify the color, make it, let's say, yellow, and I will even add a stroke to it, stroke, thick one and only to the outside, and I will even reposition it down there. So that's the text that I just created. Now in order to reuse it in a different project also, here on the media pool, which is this top portion, let's close the effects. Come here to the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Show power bins. Power bins must be enabled because otherwise if you drag the clip into this master, then that is only for this project. But when you drag the text into the power bins, then that will be visible in a different project also. So from the timeline, not from up there, from the timeline, drag and drop the text here. It will not disappear from the timeline. Notice it went back, and drop it there to the power bins, and it's inside this master, and that's the text. So from here you can drag it onto the timeline, and there it is. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 is shown. Now if I go to the house icon, I can create a new project. I already have mine here, so I will double click on that one. So in a different project, if I go to the master of the power bins, now I can grab that 1, 2, 3, 4 and drop it there, and it's visible. Of course these clips are offline, but the text was reused. So make sure you drag and drop your text from the timeline into the power bins, and thus you can reuse it in a different project also.